Hello, welcome to my channel. This is your man Alan, and today we want to look at how to use the calculator to solve the arithmetic progression and the geometric progression. This is an easy calculator trick that will help us in our examination hall in our educational section with respect to mathematics. I thought I have known this in back at SHS, but I now know it, so I want to share with you. And so, like to the video, subscribe and share. So the first example we are taking on the arithmetic progression is that we are going to find the 30th term given the progression 4, 7, and then 10. So that's the sequence given to us. So we want to find the 30th term, and we're going to use the calculator. Very easy and simple, and we will arrive at our answer. All right, so go to the mode, then select 3, which is the statistics, and then 2. The 2 is for the arithmetic progression. All right, so in the X column I put in the positions of the terms. We have the first term, which is 1, second term 2, and then we have the third term, which is 3. So you can key in at least 2 or more terms before you continue. Now I go to the Y column, which is my terms. So the first term is what? 4, the second term is 7, and the third term is 10, in that order up to what? Infinity. So I key inside the terms with respect to their positions. And now you press the AC. AC is not clearing the calculator, all right? So it's not clearing. Now I go back to the shift, then 1. You can see there's a statistics written on the 1. Now I select 5, then select another 5. That symbol is for calculating the terms of the geometric or the arithmetic progression. So I put in the 30, so 30th position, and my answer is 91, which is A. So after keying inside, just press the equal sign and your answer will be there for you. Now I go to the next example. Shift 3, which is start, then 2, which is my arithmetic progression. Now key it inside the position. Here the first position is 4, so they said they find the position 4, and then the next position is 10. Then I've been given the 4th position and the 10th position, so I key inside the position, so 4 and then 10. I'll go back to the terms. The 4th term is 8, and the 10th term is 29. All right, so I key them inside, then I press my AC. I'm looking for the 22nd term, so I press 22, then go back to your shift, start, which is at 1, then 5, that's a regression. Then I select the 5, which is to calculate for my term. I press the equal sign. So the 22nd term is 71, and that is A. All right, hope you are getting how easy to use the calculator to solve such things in the examination hall. Now the next one is find the sum of the odd numbers from 1 to 61. So the same procedures. I get the table and I key inside. The first position is 1, the next position, and the third position in any amount that you want to enter before, but at least 2 or 3, 4, in that order. Now I come, what is the first position or the term in the odd numbers? So 1 is the odd number, that's the first odd number, 3 is the second odd number, and then 5 is the third odd number. All right, so now I want to know how many odd numbers are between 1 and 61. Okay, so I use the 4 position. So the 4, that symbol over there, is for calculating the number of odd numbers that is between those values. So I just quickly press on it. So I have 31 odd numbers. So now press your sum symbol by pressing shift and then sum. Now X, which means I do not know the values I'm keying inside. So the X stand for the values from 1 to the last number, and then the ends, that's x position. Now I'm putting in comma by pressing what? Shift and then the bracket sign. You're gonna get it, and then key inside 1 and then 31. Then your answer here is 961, which is B. Alright, so note that you always press the equal sign before you continue. Now we are looking at the geometric progression. The same procedures you are going to use, but in the geometric progression we're going to see a slight difference. Okay, so clear your calculator and make it stable again before we continue. Alright, so here, if the third term of the geometric progression is 20 and the fifth term is 160, what is the first term? Alright, so I go clear your calculator, so go to mode statistics, which is 3. Then here 6 stands for the geometric progression, 2 stands for the arithmetic progression, and 6 is for what? The geometric progression. And so I choose the geometric progression. Now I key inside the third term, which is 20. The third term 20. Alright, then the next term, which is 6, the sixth term is 160. Alright, 160. So I go inside and key it. So the sixth term is 160. 160. Alright, this third term was missing, so 20. Alright, now you press the AC. Press AC and go back to calculate. So I'm looking for the first term, just like the other ones we did. So I press my shift 1, then 5. So you can now put your 1 over there. So the first term, that's 1, then that symbol, then you get your answer as 5. So the first term is 5. The first term is 5. So the answer is B. Now the next example in the geometric progression, it says find the sum of the first 10 terms of the GP, so which is from 2, 4, 8, 16. So the same procedure, you get your table. Alright, so after getting the table, key inside the first position, second position, third position, in that order, any amount they want to get it inside. Now the first position is what? The first term is 2, the second term is 4, and the third term is 8. Alright, I press my AC. Okay, now I'm looking for the sum, so shift then the sum symbol. Now I'm looking for the sum from the first digit to the 10th digit, so I put X there, and X stands for any of them. Okay, so 5 is the position. Now comma by pressing shift and then the bracket, and you're gonna get the comma, then 1, that is from the first term to the 10th term, so 10, and close the bracket, and you hit your equal sign, and your answer will be dangling there for you. Alright, you see that this is very easy to use in the examination hall. This saves time, and if you want to work it, you can still use this one to verify your answer. So our answer here is A. 2046 is our answer. Alright, hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and we are good to go. Alright, so I want us to solve this question. It's a bonus question. Mostly when you key inside a negative root, it will give you complex, that will give you undefined, or it cannot be solved, let me put it that way. But so you have to change your calculator to the complex mode, which is what we have just done. Complex mode, then you key inside. So anytime you want to key inside negative inside the root, make sure your calculator is in the complex mode before you can do it. Alright, so our answer here is negative root 55. So don't think it can be solved. So the answer here is negative root 55. Okay. Alright. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you continue to follow my channel for more of such videos. God bless you, and see you next time in my movies and my videos. Alright, so there are a lot of videos I'm making in educational sector, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and more to the point,